All right, so how do I do this one? Any suggestions? Well, one way to do it is just to think about this. That's 4x plus 7 times 4x plus 7, isn't it? Oops. So I'm just going to draw the grid. Now there's a pattern that emerges. This is called the sum of squares. I'll talk about the pattern, but well, I'll just tell you what it is. The final answer on this thing is going to be 16x squared plus 56x plus 49. That's because Mr. Adams has memorized a pattern, and this is called the sum of squares. Well, actually, it's not called. No, it's perfect square. I can't remember the title. I'll come back to it in a second. I'll write down the formula though for you guys. So, anyways, we've got 4x plus 7 times the quantity 4x plus 7. So this becomes 16x squared. This becomes a positive 28x. This is also a positive 28x. And then this is a positive 49. If we write that out, I've got 16x squared plus 28x plus 28x plus 49. In my next line, I go, okay, what are my x squareds? Well, I just have 16x squared. So now I got to go, well, what can I combine here? Well, x to the first power. We're combining them because I have x to the first power. But I just need to add the coefficients. So 28 plus 28 is actually 56. Don't forget the x. And then lastly, we just tack on positive 49. Now, how did I know that? Well, there's a pattern. Whenever I have a plus b, and you'll need to write this down, squared, that pattern is a squared plus 2 times ab plus b squared. Okay? Any questions?